What's up, bro? Looking for a compact powerhouse what can squeeze into tight spots and get job done? Stick around because today we're checking out the LIUGONG 335C skid steer loader. The 335C is packed with a super reliable Kubota D1105 engine. It's Tier 4 compliant, fuel efficient, and delivers a solid 18.5 kilowatts of power. It's the perfect heart for machine, built for agility and all-day work. And check out its performance. It lifts a full load in just 3.1 seconds and dumps it in just 2.1 seconds. That's a fast circle time that boosts your productivity. With the 380 kilogram rated load and an operating weight less than 1.5 tons, that's the perfect balance of strength and maneuverability. This is where the 335C truly excels. Its compact size and tight turning radius mean you can work in confined spaces where bigger machines can't go. From landscaping and agriculture to indoor construction and material handling, it's the ultimate versatile tool for tackling those day-to-day challenges. If you need a flexible, efficient, and reliable partner that won't break the bank, the LIUGONG 335C is the answer. Ready to put this compact powerhouse to work on your site? Feel free to contact us anytime. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you enjoy it and subscribe for more equipment review. This is Roseki from RICHMCHN. See you next time.